one of the keys to productivity is organizing your contacts. Wouldn't it be wonderful to not only have them all in one place, but to also record all interactions with each of them? With the My Interactions feature, you'll always be up to date on all the interactions you have with your contacts. Of course, this is especially useful in business matters, but it is also very useful in some personal matters. There are two sections, interactions and lead roles. With lead roles, you can divide contacts into categories. You name new category, click Add Role, and that's it. Adding contacts is also very simple. Click Add New Lead. Enter all the details, name, email, and phone number. At the end, assign it a category, after which the searching will be easier. If you want to add a new interaction with a particular contact, click View Details. The email and phone buttons are active links, which is especially useful if you are using ZeeQuest Navigator on your phone. Add Note lets you enter a general description about a particular contact, while Add New Interaction lets you make notes about each interaction with the contact. You select what type of interaction took place, add the date and time, and make some note.